Guys, this is some absolutely freaking breaking news, and this is why I'm bringing it to you guys as soon as possible. So, as you guys know, Jasmy's officially been announced by Binance, and not only that, but it went into an article on the Binance feed, which the Binance team has to audit and officially approve. This article goes into in-depth detail about the Jasmy chain, about the Jasmy coin, and about the true potential of Jasmy in terms of value. Now, this is what is so exciting because as Jasmy officially expands within Japan, and as you guys know, Jasmy has a lot of internal government partnerships and they have a lot of government officials, and Binance goes ahead and tries to expand into the Japanese market, which we're going to show you guys proof that is actually happening. We're going to see this collaboration form between the Binance exchange, which is the largest exchange in the world, and the Jasmy coin in Japan. And of course, everything in this video is going to be backed by facts. So before I jump forward, I do want to announce I'm hosting a Jasmy giveaway. Just simply to enter, subscribe to the channel with your post notifications. Guys, we need to hit 1,000 subscribers, so share this video, subscribe on every single account you have, and we're hosting, like I said, the Jasmy giveaway. So to enter the giveaway, just tap the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video. We're going to be giving away a lot of Jasmy coins to one lucky winner, so hopefully you guys go ahead and win. That being said, let's jump straight into the video with our daily market update. Currently, Jasmy is down about 1.28% in the last 24 hours, sitting at a value of 0.0035. The market cap is also down at a value of about 171 million, equivalent to 1.28% down. And when looking at the transaction volume, it actually has decreased substantially, about 50%, 45.52% to be exact, to $19.9 million in the last 24 hours for transaction volume. The volume to market cap ratio in the last 24 hours sits at about 11.49%, with a circulating supply of 48.9 billion and a total max supply of 50 billion. Now, again, we're going to be talking about the Q4 lockup. I'm going to save that for another video because that is an in-depth video on its own. But for today's market update, let us look at the charts. So of course, the charts are now for the daily actually starting to go up. Now, we did see a minor retracement over the last little bit here, where it did go downwards, and now we're starting to see it recover. And this is always good because after we see a slight recovery, typically you have a big recovery. In this case, we've seen a big retracement, so we've seen a large recovery as well. And in this case, we've seen, a relatively minor retracement, so we're going to see a pump it back up. So we're looking at it here, probably surpassing the price that it previously was before it went down. And when looking at the 7-day chart overall, we are going sideways. And this is the exciting part, is that as of now, we're not going down. You may see the price down, but we are in reality going sideways. And of course, when looking at the weekly, we're actually up by 2.67%, which is actually quite good. And let us continue off with the market sentiment. As of now, people are bullish, and I personally am extremely bullish about Jasmy. But here is one of the bullish sentiment tweets. It says, Jasmy, don't forget the Q4 lockup, Jasmy chain, and KPIs. You're also going to see right here another person, Japo, talking about the Q4 lockup incoming and much more. Here we got Glenn saying he's bullish on Jasmy. So general market sentiment cites bullish momentum for this bullish coin. And again, Jasmy is the true potential. To be completely honest with you guys, right now after this video, I have to say I'm filling my bank up with the Jasmy coin. Here is the article with Binance. And again, it's coming from Binance, news directly, with over 618,000 followers. Just imagine the news press that Jasmy's getting right now. So here is what it says. Jasmy chain project launches with Ethereum-based layer 2 solution. According to Foresight News, Web3 data market project Jasmy has officially launched the Jasmy chain product, which aims to build an Ethereum-based layer 2 solution to further enhance Jasmy's scalability. The project will include support for account abstraction, a Web3 operating system integrated with the Jasmy AI engine, and precise services based on the DID and user data. More information will be released by the official sources in the future. Again, this is so substantial, and it's already got 1.9k views, and I think this number is going to continuously grow. But finally, Binance is starting to truly recognize the value of the Jasmy chain and the Jasmy coin. Now, as Binance goes ahead and tries to expand into the Japanese market, they're going to need somebody to guide their path. And Binance has made it clear that they are en route to go ahead and implement completely into Japan. And just recently, we've seen this article citing that Binance Japan to bring the total number of supported cryptocurrencies in Japan to 100. The Binance Japanese arm, let me close this real quick, will supposedly triple the number of crypto assets available on its platform. The Japanese subsidiary of Binance will reportedly provide trading services with additional digital currencies in the near future. And a representative at Binance Japan says, I feel like there is a clear intention to create foreseeable situations with well-developed regulations and to allow businesses to take place in that environment. Binance revealed its intention to return to Japan by acquiring the Sakura exchange Bitcoin SEB-C in November last year for an undisclosed sum. This allowed the Japanese arm of the trading venue to start providing crypto services 5 years after it left the country due to issues with domestic watchdog. One thing that we understand here is the influence that Jasmy has on the Japanese government. And this has been proven as a fact within regards to a lot of the contracts that they have built with the Jasmy Foundation. In fact, the Japanese leading blockchain project combining with the Internet of Things and distributed storage technology cites that they are officially working to build a massive smart city that uses the Jasmy coin. Now, it's still in development. They're called smart cities in Japan, the practical innovation for consensus future living. And the whole purpose is that these are going to be blockchain kind of a run system. It's going to be completely deployed. It's going to use the IoT technology, and most of it is going to be with the help of the Jasmy Labs and the Jasmy Foundation. Who else? Sony. And we already spoke about how Sony is really owns Jasmy. Sony has made it clear that Jasmy is a venture company of them, meaning that they provide the funding, Sony provides the funding, they provide the backup, and they're literally the backbone of the Jasmy Foundation. So the Jasmy Foundation cannot collab, and if it does, well, it's going to take a massive hit on the reputation of Sony, as this is a Sony-owned company. It's also important to understand that Binance Japan announces the launch date and set to become the top domestic exchange within 34 cryptocurrencies. One of these has to be Jasmy, and it has it labeled. As you guys can see, it says Binance Japan has decided not to provide leverage trading as obtaining the required Type 1 financial instrument business license in Japan involves the standard. The listing of certain cryptocurrencies like Solana, Astra, Avalanche, Jasmy, and Axis indicates an intention to attract experienced users. So who are they listing here? They're listing Jasmy guys. They're literally going into Japan with the help of the Jasmy Foundations. They're listing Jasmy coin. There's going to be some real deal partnerships that are going to happen. I wouldn't be shocked if in the next couple of months we see Jasmy officially frontline listed on the Binance exchange, and maybe even some massive partnership worked out between the Jasmy Foundation and Binance to implement this new system within the Japanese market. Holy shit. And I'm not gonna lie guys, I'm so freaking hyped. So I'm not sure if you guys know this, but I was doing a bit of a search here. I was searching on Bing, and just all of a sudden, literally I see this. It says Rencom Network is a company that aims to create a rentable ecosystem where you can use RNT to access various rentable assets. They have partnered with Jasmy, a Japanese company that provides IoT solutions and has the support of Sony. You can learn more about their vision and roadmap in their white paper. Now, again, my mind is blown. How is that even possible? Now, I was doing a bit of, an in-depth, I was trying to ask around, and right now, it doesn't show anything on their site that there is a formal partnership with Jazz. But there is something at the bottom here that says there is a partnership planned to be announced. The Rencom Network Partners introduced. So maybe they're going to announce a partnership on September 25th, 2023. I'm not sure, but if you guys don't know what the Rencom Network is, this is a multi-million-dollar company that is expanding into 130 companies, Japan being one of them. They own rentable assets all across the globe, and of course, their key thing is that they only allow their renters to actually pay in the RNT native token. So their coin is the only coin that can be paid when anybody wants to rent a house or when anybody wants to rent any of their rentable assets. Now, I've been telling you guys about this cryptocurrencies from before, but if you guys don't know already, this coin has skyrocketed literally over 3,000%. And I'm looking at it right here, looking at the price right now. Literally, guys, this coin is booming. It just keeps on going up. And remember, they are still in the pilot program. So only a small portion of their properties are using the RNT coin, or, the renters are paying an RNT coin. But very soon, they're going to be officially expanding it into all their properties, which means this coin is set to skyrocket even more. And of course, as always, thankfully, I'm able to hit up the Rencom Network, and I decided to partner with them to give you guys free RNT. So they're literally not paying me for anything. This isn't like a sponsored video. I am literally just working with them. I talked to them. I told them, you know what? I'll talk to you guys, and if you guys can go ahead and give my viewers RNT coin, because I see the potential and I'm trying to give them a gift, and they said yes. So I want to go ahead and tell you guys, make sure you claim your Mighty Crypto Award. This is a gift from me to you guys. All you literally have to do is head over to the Rencom Network on Twitter and send them a message that you came from the Mighty Crypto channel, and they're going to get you some free RNT coin. Like I said, this is literally free money that you guys get, and think about it kind of like a gift from the Mighty Crypto Man to you guys. And things are only going to get better if there is a formal partnership with Jasmy as well. Now, I'm going to be completely honest, I'm filling my bag with two main coins, RNT and the Jasmy coin. And this is exactly how I plan to proceed in the future, because these two coins are going to skyrocket. That being said, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you guys check out both of the links in the description if you guys want to go ahead and get your free RNT coin. If you want to fill your bag as well, I'll also have that link in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next one. The next video, though, is exciting, so stay tuned.